First things first, I appreciate your support. I hope you guys are good. Bosch washing machine, a quick review. You know, in my region, people fear Bosch. It's expensive. Parts are not readily available. And then the drum is sealed, so when you get issues with the bearings, you'll have to order for a new drum. But Bosch is the best. You rarely have those issues. Bosch is durable. Number one feature, open on pause. You press that pause button, the door will open. So you rarely have issues with having to replace the door, the latch, or even the door switch. Fully automatic. Number two, the drum is big. The paddles are big, meaning more friction. A good wash. The door rubber seal. The space between the metallic drum and the door rubber seal is very small. You won't get issues with blockages. Very few. And the door rubber seal is very strong, by the way. This is the soap dispenser. Very vast, easy to open and return, and you will not get issues with a leaking dispenser on a Bosch washing machine. Number two, siphoning. You'll never have siphoning issues with this machine. Check. Look at this. This is the drain filter. And then the pipe goes down underneath, then up here. And then it's directed to the drain hole. 3-meter pipe. No issues. This is the drum, by the way, it's very big. Let me show you why people say it's hard to replace bearings on a Bosch. You see, the drum is completely sealed. It doesn't have bolts that you can easily open, replace bearings and return. So you'll have to buy for a new drum. But you rarely have issues with the Bosch. It will give you 10 plus years before you replace bearings. Worth it. Then stability. This machine is very stable because of the concrete block. I don't know the way these blocks are made. We have one at the top, quite broad, very heavy, and then we have two at the front. When we remove the front panel, we have two, very heavy, so stability guaranteed. The drain filter, you don't need a toolbox, you don't need a screwdriver. Easy to access. Yes, they are expensive. Parts are not readily available in my region, Kenya. Yes, the drum is sealed, but you will not have issues with the Bosch. It will take time, though it goes down on how you use any machine. But Bosch can withstand ignorance. The way you handle some of these machines perplex me. Well, we don't work for Bosch. This is our own review. I'll be reviewing other machines. So if you're in Kenya and you're planning to get a Bosch machine, go for it. It's one of the best. Quite expensive, but it will give you good service. Remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. There's a link in the bio. Just click on the link, subscribe, share, follow us on TikTok and other platforms. I'll be doing more reviews on different washing machines. I'll be giving you more tips.